Hey guys, so welcome to another decluttering video slash cleaning video. So if you want to see me going around cleaning our house and decluttering some more stuff, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm just starting by doing some dishes. So I'm just unloading our dishwasher right now, getting everything out of there, putting it away so I can get some more loaded. So this is pretty self-explanatory, just going through, putting all of our dishes away where they belong. Nothing too crazy. Then I'm just going through, loading the dishwasher, obviously just putting everything where it goes in there, and washing up some stuff that either doesn't go in the dishwasher or is a little too stuck on to go in there that will not get clean on its own. So I'm just hand washing the stuff that's needed. So here I'm just going through, putting all of our stuff away that's on our kitchen table. And I don't know about you guys, but our kitchen table definitely kind of catches everything. When we just come in the house after work and just sit everything down, a lot of the stuff just goes on the table. So I'm just going through, making sure all of that's in its rightful place. And then moving on to the living room, I'm just picking up some stuff and putting together our coffee table how it should be and kind of putting all of that stuff away. And then I'm moving all of our bedroom stuff back to our room because we actually sleep on our couch pretty often. So I'm putting all of our blankets and pillows back where they belong and kind of putting the couch back together, making sure all of the blankets that go on there are on there, and kind of adjusting all of our pillows and everything like that. And then here I'm just folding up all of our blankets and making sure those are nice to put away. And the smaller blankets I'm only folding like halfway because I put them on our little blanket ladder in our bedroom. Alright y'all, now to start on bathroom cleaning or counter cleaning. Yeah. This is just all the stuff from the living room, from a video I was filming. This is not always here, I will say. And then there's kind of all that stuff, and then my hurricane of clothing. So, that's what we're going to get started on. But before that, let's hook up the diffuser. So I'm going to use a blend of Lemon Rosemary Focus Blend with my Young Living Thieves. So going to get that going in there. Alright, so I'm just going through, putting all of the stuff back where it belongs that is exploded all over my counter. So I'm putting some masks up where it belongs and all that stuff. Sorry for the weird footage. I probably should have just sat my camera down somewhere, but I'm just going through, putting stuff away where it needs to go and all of that good stuff. Also, I decided to throw this skin serum away because it was basically empty. And along with that little serum as well. Everything that I'm putting in the sink basically is all the stuff that I'm throwing away because it's really old or it's just basically empty. So here is my sink finally put back together. Look how much nice it looks. And then there's this mountain of clothes that I have to tackle. So I'm just going through and hanging up my clothes, kind of organizing my clothes as I go, making sure all of the short sleeves are all together and all of that stuff, going through putting some stuff aside to get rid of that I just don't wear anymore or that's too small that I have been telling myself that I'm gonna fit in eventually, that I'm probably not going to, and then I can just buy more clothes if I need to. But I'm just going through, putting all that stuff away and getting my closet a little bit more organized. And then moving on to my pajama drawer. So I'm just going through here, folding all my pajamas up, kind of figuring out what I still wear, what I don't, putting stuff off to the side. And then I go through both my top drawers there, but those are underwear and bras, so I didn't get very much of that because I don't want you guys to see all of my underwear and bras. So I just quickly show you going through this little cupboard to make sure everything is in there that I currently wear, and if I don't currently wear it, then I'm getting rid of it. Now going back to my bathroom, it's time to go through all of my makeup again. So I am going through all of my ColourPop shadows, all of my highlighters, all of my powders, basically taking everything out of this container to put everything back and go through every single item to see what I wear and what I don't wear. And here I am just putting back all of the colors that I ended up keeping. And then I was actually on the fence about that shadow, but I ended up keeping it because I really like it. And then you can see I'm putting the shadows that I don't want into the bag of stuff to give away, along with any other makeup that I don't really use anymore. So I'm just putting all of that back and kind of getting rid of stuff as I go. I'm just going to give you guys a little look-see of all of the palettes that I have. I actually ended up keeping most of these. kept both of the Too Faced. I actually kept this ColourPop palette, but I ended up getting rid of both of the other ones. So I got rid of the purple one and the orange one, but I kept like the kind of peachy one. I kept all of my Too Faced ones, and then I ended up getting rid of the Pretty Much palette from ColourPop, just because I don't use it. And now I am just going through all of my lipsticks, so kind of swatching ones to see if I like them and how old they are, and then all the ones that I'm putting on the top are actually the ones that I'm getting rid of. So I'll show you in a shot shortly. Ooh, that's a lot of S words. But I'll show you shortly how many I'm actually getting rid of, but I'm just going through to see which ones I want to keep. And then here are all the ones that I'm getting rid of or throwing away. So here's the stuff I'm getting rid of. Ooh, here's the stuff I'm getting rid of this time. Whole bunch of makeup brushes, a couple of palettes. This is filled with those lip products, a couple of hair products, and a perfume. And then a couple of bras, bralettes, all that stuff to my friends, a pair of leggings, a flannel, a bag. So a whole lot less than last time. Alright guys, so that's it for this cleaning video. Thumbs up if y'all liked these kind of videos, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!